Hello everybody. Today I'm gonna do my first unboxing video. I know this is a simple device but I just wanted to highlight this Aukey brand which I've been using for some time now. I've been buying from AliExpress. Their products quality is pretty impressive, for the price you're getting or you're paying. I used to buy Anker products, which were good, but they're somewhat overpriced when it comes comparing to Aukey. So, for example, this charger supports quick charge 3. It has 2 ports. They both support quick charge, which it means that it has a Qualcomm quick charge 3 chip. And I got this one for around $12, $12, including shipping. I've also bought something that's similar from Anker, that is I believe the PowerAll 2, which has the same features but for almost double the price. It's around $20, almost $20 including shipping charges. So yeah, let's go ahead with the unboxing. So you can see there's a user manual, which almost nobody reads. This is the PowerAll dual USB car charger. The build quality seems fine. Doesn't seem like too rigid, but not cheap. Obviously the Anker car charger feels and looks much more durable than this, but I think this should do the job, since Aukey products are pretty good. So yeah, it comes with one micro USB charger, which is around, I believe, 90 centimeters, if not 1 meter. This is 1 meter. So if you're thinking of buying a car charger, I'd recommend you buy one of these quick charge 3 supporting power adapters, because it's a future-proof purchase. You shouldn't invest in something with less specs or older specs. And these are the current. This is the voltage that it supports and the current. So as you can see, let's say for the Galaxy S8 or S8 Plus or the Note 8, Samsung's fast adaptive charge does, I think, 2 amps, 9 volts. And this thing has that range, which is 2 amps, 9 volts. The Huawei Mate 10, I believe, and P10, and all of these, they support some charging technology called supercharge, which is, if I'm not mistaken, 3 amps and 6.5 volts or something like that. So this supports a broad variety of phones and charging requirements. So yeah, I'd highly recommend getting one of these. And yeah, hope you like my video, and subscribe for upcoming videos on other products, probably from Aukey, because I've been buying so many products from this company, since they are very reasonably priced and they are of good quality. Alright, thanks for watching. Please like, share, subscribe to my channel. Thank you.